Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. With all your
Thought we wouldn't be back, but here we are.
Where else would we be?
Where else would we be? I got new ears for the 50th ears.
I'm still recovering.
Yeah, we're still recovering. We rode Flight of Passage, if you didn't see our last vlog.
Still recovering.
And
I'm at like 52%.
yeah, we're just gonna walk, take it slow.
I need like water and maybe ginger ale.
That's a great idea. Let's do that.
Miserable.
Just gonna walk, take it slow. And we'll see where the day takes us. Progress. I don't know if you can hear me. And now it's sunny. We got rained out before.
It's sunny and it's cooler. So
yeah. But I have to go to the potty. And then
go potty and then we're gonna get
food. Just ate some delicious food.
Twas delicious.
Tuna Friar's Nook in Fantasyland by the carousel. I'll put a picture here of what I had. Because I ate it so fast that I had to film it. And you just had some mac and cheese.
I had a child's cup of mac and cheese.
Sorry.
Now my apples.
And she has apples and she has a clementine also. Go stand right there and I'll take your picture.
I don't want to take it. I'm gonna do it tomorrow.
Okay, okay. You don't know.
He's gonna be like, are you gonna take a picture? I'm like, no, I'm literally just watching it.
Annie loves Jack Sparrow.
He sounds nothing like.
You're the pirate of
But we're not ruining the Disney magic.
Here we go.
She's dead inside. Here we go.
Your life.
Woo! Oh God. Back in the room. I know I have a clip of it, but we stood in line for Thunder Mountain for like an hour or like 45 minutes. I don't even know, but we were dying. But it was great. And then we made the executive decision to leave Magic Kingdom. It's only 7 right now. So we left Magic Kingdom. Well, we got Dole Whips, but we didn't show that either. It's fine.
We didn't show what?
Dole Whips.
LOL.
LOL, we were too hungry, too tired. Tomorrow, so, and then, excuse me, then we came back to Pop and got good old Pop Century dinners, and we're gonna watch YouTube, take a shower. If we get a second wind, we talked about going to Epcot, but I don't know if that's gonna happen or not. But yeah, for now we're just chilling. Tomorrow's gonna be a really long day, so we need a quiet evening. What were your highs of the day? If you could name 3.
Oh gosh.
What did we even do today? She's really thinking.
I can't think.
Animal Kingdom.
I have to think about it.
Okay.
We'll come back to you.
I'll go.
Yeah, okay.
One of my highs was
Oh my god, we are not okay.
My first one was the safari. My second high was, so you expect me to say Flight of Passage, but that was not one of my highs. One of my highs was getting the hamburger pods.
Oh
and
yeah!
I've literally been waiting to try that. So I got a hamburger pod. If you didn't see that vlog, that one's going up before this one. So that already happened. It's down below. I'm gonna link everything. I had a hamburger pod and then something from Magic Kingdom. I'd say, oh, the Thunder Railroad. Big Thunder Mountain.
Big Thunder.
That was good. It was a long wait, but it was worth it. Yeah, we're gonna do it again tomorrow. All the Magic Kingdom things tomorrow. Tomorrow's a complete Magic Kingdom vlog.
Yeah.
Not just half and half like it has been.
Yeah.
You think of any?
So my first one is seeing the baby gorilla.
Oh my gosh, we saw the cutest. I don't know if I got that on vlog, but we saw a baby gorilla
Oh, you did.
at Animal Kingdom. We saw the cutest little
Yeah.
baby. I'll put a photo right here because I got the cutest photo of it yawning.
And then my second was the Lion King show, and my third was Jack Sparrow.
Yes, we saw Jack Sparrow. We're gonna see him again tomorrow, all dressed up in her pirate outfit. Stay tuned for that.
Yeah. I mean, he has to stand 50 feet away, so he may not even see it.
That's true, because with COVID, if you haven't been here lately, all the characters that you meet have to stand like at least 6 feet apart from you. But we should be thankful that they're doing character meet and greets at all, because they weren't for the first 6 months that they were open.
I'd cry. I couldn't see
But
Jack Sparrow.
so they are doing some meet and greets, so we were able to track Jack down.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna end the vlog here. We'll see you again in Magic Kingdom.
Good night.